One of the most common cars we see out there every day, black SUVs. Looks like a regular SUV, but what makes this one different, this one's fully bulletproof. Here we have a 2026 GMC Denali, and it will be the first car that we do with the newest technology for bulletproofing. And here we have the shipment of True Armor, the first company to develop a custom glass that is not as thick, and you can actually still use the function of the windows going up and down. So now we're about to remove the windshield. We're gonna remove the quarter panel windows and these as well, so we can test fit, make sure everything is perfect. We ran into a little problem. So the window, which I'll show you now, when you put it in, is hitting against this bracket, which is the back seat belt. And obviously in that back seat, normally who goes there? Kids. So we don't want to lose the seat belts. We're gonna cut right in this edge. We're gonna get like a 1-inch aluminum fill. We'll weld this back to that aluminum fill, push it in 1 inch, and then re-weld to make it safe again. You can see here's the glass. This is what I'm talking about. You have the regular glass that goes to the seal, and then you have the armored. You can't cut the armored part because you're gonna weaken the glass. So the only solution is to do what I'm saying and go ahead and weld a piece to bring it in, and then you have no problems it falling into place. So far, so good. We haven't lost any of the factory weather strips, moldings. It's literally like putting a factory window with all the factory moldings, all the factory weather strips, and not losing the function of it going up and down. So far, so good. To many of you, it's just another black SUV out on the road. But what makes this one totally different, even though it's bulletproof, the windows go all the way down. And if you think the real ones don't go down, they go down all the way as well. So guys, as I explained before, this shows you, even though we did the glass and the door, everything is bulletproof. Factory buttons. Nothing was modified, no special buttons were needed. Still has the same factory actuator. You can come close here. There you see how thick the glass really is. I don't know if you noticed as I was touching these buttons here and he goes closer and everything. You know what that is? If you're from my era, 80s and 90s, this watch right here, this was the Casio water resistant. Got the little light button, very important feature, that light button right there. Guys, you can show off all you want, but I'll sit in any table and say, this is a conversation piece right here. Humble yourself. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click that like button and click that notification so you get notified every time we put up a new video. And again, thank you for watching.